countdown has begun in the state of war, Telangana. The state votes on the 13th of May. One of the key contenders in Telangana battle is the BRS. That is taking on the BJP and the Congress. The party's working president, K.T. Rama Rao, spoke to news director Rahul Kanwal. Let's take a listen.
We are currently in the Sikandrabad constituency of Telangana, and with us is the BRS star campaigner K.T. Rama Rao. It's raining heavily. I see your supporters and you are having a lot of fun in the rain.
Well, the weather is damp, but the spirits are not. Obviously, you can look at them. They're all dancing, and we're hopeful that all this energy will translate into something very good for us. About 10 to 12 seats is what we're hoping for. If it is better, even better.
But were spirits dampened terribly by the assembly election results?
नहीं, हार जीत तो चलते रहता है, but हमारी हार इतनी बुरी नहीं थी. हम लोग जीते थे 39 out of 119, and also we lost 14 seats by a whisker, and the difference also was marginal. So we are hoping that this time it will be better.
KTR, what's the BRS's pitch in the Lok Sabha election? Because largely seen as a BJP versus Congress battle. Where does your third front fit in over here?
Well, that is only by the national media, which believes that this country is bipolar. The people don't seem to think so.
Has the BRS recovered from the assembly election results? What's your pitch? I see there's some support and josh here, but outside your core base, what's your pitch to the people of Telangana?
Well, it's plain and simple. We believe that if we are able to win 10 to 12, then we should be able to be in a very decisive and in a very important role in Delhi. So,
but given how strong the BJP is, given that the Congress has a state government over here, how are you hoping to attract voters to the BRS cause?
10 years of abysmal performance by Prime Minister Modi gives them no hope here. Likewise, the Congress government here in the last 5 months has been a big letdown because they've promised the moon, and unfortunately they've not been able to deliver.
I heard during the speech that you made before this, you mentioned the fact that your sister is currently in jail. The Supreme Court denied her bail. I heard the Enforcement Directorate said they'll be filing a supplementary charge sheet, like they'll have more charges against her. That case doesn't seem to be going well at all, the liquor case.
Well, the case is, there's no case at all. It's a fabricated case. Modi ji ka to philosophy सीधा है, या तो आप हमारे जेब में रहिए या जेल में रहिए. तो जिन को पसंद नहीं करते हैं, जो लोग लड़ते हैं मोदी जी से politically, उन सबको जेल में डाला जाता है. पूरा देश जान चुका है.
Has the Liquorgate case charge against your sister dampened the BRS's image?
No, absolutely
by
not.
leveling the charge of corruption against all of you?
Well, the most corrupt, most inept and most inefficient Prime Minister of independent India is Prime Minister Modi. I think the whole world knows it. And if he doesn't want to accept it, it's his problem. But the fact is, this government has not done much in terms of delivery to the people. They have nothing but political rhetoric and invoking primordial emotions by the people. So therefore, we believe that we stand a very good chance in the parliament elections.
Do you think changing the name of the TRS to BRS was a mistake in hindsight because the party lost its Telangana core identity and you didn't really do much as far as the Bharatiya plan was concerned?
No, absolutely not. In fact, as a party, we wanted to grow beyond our borders. We were trying our luck, but unfortunately, we lost our home base. So now it is time to go back and, recoup at home and then possibly look beyond. But for now, I think Telangana is our focus and we'll continue to remain steadfast on this.
Tell our viewers, what is that crane? The crane has are you supposed to get garlanded by that?
Supposed to be. But now that the rain has caused havoc, I think it's all gone for a toss.
The opposition was saying KTR will go to the United States. He'll go back to his business. Are you here in local Telangana politics, or are you wanting to go back to the US?
We will wait and see who goes where after the 4th of June, because the day is not far. The day of reckoning is not far. 4th of June, I think the people of Telangana will decide the fate of Congress, BRS and BJP in Telangana.
How is the Revanth Reddy government doing in Telangana? He emerged, he was part of your party earlier. You were constantly attacking him. He seems to have become a larger-than-life figure in very little time.
Absolutely. Some stories are short-lived. Wait and watch.
What stories?
Some stories are short-lived, like I said.
Okay.
So you have to wait and watch till June 4th.